In this problem, we are asked to find the exact values of the following trigonometric functions: the sine of 11 pi over 4, cosine of negative 5 pi over 3, sine of 450, and the tangent of 330. In order to look at the first one, we will recognize for part A that 11 pi over 4 is greater than 2 pi. We know that 11 pi over 4 can be rewritten as 8 pi over 4, or 2 pi, plus 3 pi over 4. Therefore, when we look at our angle, we know that it went around once, and then the terminal side is lying in quadrant 2 at 3/4. Therefore, the sine of 11 pi over 4 is equal to the sine of 3 pi over 4. In quadrant 2, sine is positive, giving us the y value of the square root of 2 over 2. To look at the next one, we want the cosine of the opposite of 5 pi over 3. The cosine of the opposite of 5 pi over 3 using the negative identity, since cosine is even, is the same as the cosine of 5 pi over 3. This would give us a quadrant 4 angle for theta. Also, we would know that the reference angle would be equal to pi over 3, and we know the cosine of pi over 3 is 1/2. In quadrant 4, cosine is positive, therefore this would equal to a positive 1/2. Next, we're going to look at the sine of 405. We will recognize that 405 is greater than 360, so we went around the circle once. If we took 405 degrees minus 360 degrees, we would get 45 degrees. Therefore, the sine of 405 degrees is identical to the sine of 45 degrees, which is the square root of 2 over 2. Lastly, we're looking at the tangent of 330 degrees. 330 degrees is that quadrant 4 angle, equivalent to 11 pi over 6. We now have a reference angle of pi over 6, or 30 degrees. We know that the tangent would be negative, and we can represent this as the negative 1/2, or sine, over cosine, which is the square root of 3 over 2. Inverting and multiplying, we will see the tangent of 330 is equal to a negative 1 over the square root of 3, or if you like, negative square root of 3 over 3.